Hello everybody. October 31st, no 21st, excuse me, 2024. This is an old DMV, Department of Motor Vehicle building here in Marlborough, not too far from my house. And it looks like after many years of being boarded up, it is finally being demolished. Look at that. This little machine here sprays water on it to keep the dust down. I presume that's what they're doing there. I can feel the mist. I'm sure the toxic stuff is washing over me right now. Pretty amazing. I don't know if there had been squatters in there or not. I know the windows had been broken. There were plants growing out of the roof. Probably at the very least were animals in there. Just capturing. Good job. It's I know it costs money, but it's good to tear down the old buildings that aren't being used like this anymore and that we're beyond. Whoa. Beyond the point of being able to be repurposed. So have a great day, everyone. Marlborough, Massachusetts, October 21st, 2024.